Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady, loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a new nursery. Never heard of them before, but I found a plant that I've been looking for a while from them, so I figured I'd give them a try. So let's get to it, guys. Doing a quick unboxing from Taylor Greenhouses. I've never ordered from them before, never heard of them before, but they were I happened to come across them when I was looking for a particular plant. I almost just killed myself with the scissor. So I figured I'd give them a try, and the prices were really good. So I decided to order from them. So I am going to be doing this unboxing. I'll put their information down below or somewhere in the description. I have a couple of things I bought from them. Let me pull them out first. Okay. And I hope they're in good condition. Ooh, don't fall. It was 4 things I got. Yep. Alright, so the first thing, let's see what's in here. I didn't realize they were going to be in little 2-inch containers, but this is one of the begonias I ordered. It seems to be in pretty good shape. I'll have to look up the name. Oh no, they have a little. This is Tornado. Begonia Tornado. Alright. That's one. And I'll do some close-ups afterwards. That's one of them. So far, so good. I think they were $8.95. I don't remember seeing in the description what sizes they were going to be. But now I know they were 2 inches. Alright, is this the Cissus Discolor? Yep. Alright, so this is the Rex Begonia Cissus Discolor. It looks a little dry, but I'm hoping it'll perk up. Maria from My Orchid Adventures has one that is absolutely stunning, and I kept seeing it and I'm like, I have to get one. Okay, let's see this one. No. Go, Mia, you're gonna drop my plant, please. Oh boy. I don't know. This one. Sideways. Okay. That is. I love that it has the little. Boston cherries. Chocolate Boston cherries? Something like that. And I'm probably going to be putting these begonias into, other than the Cissus Discolor, I'm probably going to put them into Leica. I'll get them. Oh. What in the world? Right, this one's weird. I don't even remember what this is. Oh gosh. This is Peperomia prostrata, the string of turtles. Yeah, this is a tiny one. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And I'll probably be sending that to my friend Shannon. She has been on the lookout for one and hasn't been able to find one, and I do have one, so maybe I can just send her that one. Thought it was gonna be like a larger one, and that I can, you know, propagate from, but yeah, that's a tiny one. So I'm going to repot these in some Leica, and I will be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you, this is the next day, and I'm gonna show you the plants that I got yesterday from Taylor Greenhouses. So this is the Cissus Discolor, and that leaf right there, oh, if this could focus, is pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see the color to it, but it's pretty cool. The other ones look like I don't know, look like they may be on the way out, or just too much water, or stressed out from the shipment. It did drop one leaf on that side, but hopefully it will grow and do well. So that's one of them. Then I have, let's see, where did I put them? Alright, I have this one here. Oh, hope I don't drop it. And I put it into Leica. And this is that leaf is on the way out. I don't have any hope for it. It's crispy and should go. These guys, they're doing alright. Not the best, but this is the Begonia Rex, I believe the Storm. No, I'm sorry. Brown Cherries Chocolate. Has a really pretty pattern, but it looks like it's kind of washed out from, you know, stressed out from the shipping. The colors look kind of washed out compared to what the what they look like online. So hopefully this will perk up and do okay. I will have to show you how I transition. I will have to show you how I transition my my begonias to Leica, because the soil was just giving me a hard time. So I'm hoping that this is a better route for me, and so far so good. And then the third, hold on. Okay, and then I have this one. This one's super pretty. I love the colors on it and the shimmer. That leaf kind of still looks busted, but this one gives me hope. This one gives me hope. And this is the, I believe, the Begonia Storm. Hold on. Tornado. Begonia Rex Tornado. Really pretty. And I'm hoping it makes it, because I really love it. And then I have the Peperomia prostrata. Let me see where I put that. Alright, and then this is the Peperomia prostrata. I don't know how this one's gonna do. I will be hopeful, but I don't know. Looks a little like the shipment didn't do it well. So I've had a little bit of growth so far on this Cissus Discolor. Where's the new little leaf? The tiny little leaf here. Hold on. I'm terrible at this. Okay, so that tiny leaf there. Jeez. That tiny little leaf has grown. And then there's a couple of areas of that look like there's gonna be some new leaves sprouting. So I'm hopeful with this plant. I also picked up from Gabriella Plants this Alocasia Marani. I believe it's this also called the Silver Dragon. It needs water. It needs to be watered. And I'm really happy that I picked this up. One of these is a new leaf. I think this large one here is a new leaf. I need to go water that. But just wanted to show you the growth on that discolor really quickly. I do need to do an updated plant room tour because there has been a couple of new additions. So I tried to get that filmed for the upcoming week. I know I haven't done much filming, but I will be better. And I need to show you a couple other things that I have been up to, like this propagation cloning thing, which I absolutely love. Thank you, Shannon, for the recommendation. I just wanted to show you some new growth on this plant. Like some of the old leaves that were a little busted in shipping, they're gonna be lost, but I believe those are all little babies down there. I hope they are. I hope it's not some kind of weed. I don't know what they look like as babies, but look at all of that down there. And then I have on the vine, that's a new leaf. Those two are new leaves. That's a new leaf. So all of those are new leaves. And I'm sorry it's not focusing. So it's getting a bunch of new leaves, and hopefully that's like babies down here. If anyone can tell me, I mean, it looks like the shape of the leaf. Same shape, so I'm hopeful that that's that. And then the Marani, she's gotten bigger too. This was from Gabriella's plants. Look at that leaf. Wow, that's pretty. I was lucky to get this on one of their restocks, so just wanted to show you guys that. So happy with the growth. Look at this, pretty. I mean, I know the colors are not coming out as they should or could, but the backs are like a dark purple, become a nice beautiful purple color, and this has like beautiful purple lining. But I'm so happy that it's growing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I totally appreciate your patience with me. I know I haven't been posting much lately. I've been super busy, and she keeps me on my toes for sure. But thank you so much for all of your support, your love, and everything that all the kind comments that you give. I totally appreciate them, and we'll try to be better about posting. I do need to do an updated succulent garden tour, an updated houseplant tour. I have gotten a couple of new things in, so I do need to update you guys on that. And she is so feisty. Eats my hair, bites my hair, gets tangled in my hair. But I'll definitely get on that. Hopefully this week I'll start doing the houseplant tour, or I have a couple of succulent projects that I do want to get to. But thank you so much, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place. One succulent plant and cacti at a time. Bye.